we also have a problem in Tanay, Mr. President. Santa Ines is nasa taas po siya ang Santa Ines. For how many days already, hindi na sila makakuha ng food, wala nang maitindang pagkain doon, ang mga barangay.
How many are there isolated now in Santa Ines? Kulang yun. If you're talking about 3,000 families, kailangan ayusin yung daan. Kahit ano lang, for now lang. Oo. Kailangan truck ang papasok na relief goods, hindi pwedeng sa heli, hindi
Yes.
kakayanin yan. Ilan ang, how much can a Black Hawk carry?
And the longer it takes po, the more needs they have, the more goods we need to bring.
All of the things that we always bring. Yeah, medicine.